vegetable. I'm cutting my ugu. So this is how I cut my own. I use my hands with my knife to cut it. Why some people use a chopping stick or chopping wood. I don't know how they call it, but I know it's chopping something to do their own. So I have it here, but I'm not used to that. I think I feel more comfortable doing like this than using cutting. Children, don't use that. Cutting stick or cutting board. So I don't know if you know the thing I'm talking about, the one they keep and they will be doing like this, shop. Okay, so please correct me in the comment section. I don't know, either chopping stick or chopping wood, I don't know, but it's chopping something. It's chopping, but the wood have been a stick. I don't know how they put it. So if you know how they put it, please, you can correct me in the comment section. Okay, yeah. So my meat, my fish is on the fire boiling. So let me cut my ugu first of all. I think cooking vegetable, this is the toughest one. The one that is tough is cutting the vegetable, and it's much. In a family of 7, cooking vegetable that will eat 2 times. You get? So the vegetable is quite a lot. So that is why I'm doing fast to meet up. Because of time. My children just come back from the lesson, though it has been 2 hours that they came back from lesson, you know. So we register them in summer lesson. Let them go there and be passing and learning some skills. So they came back, and as usual, no food for them. So as a mother, I have to run up something, make something for them to eat before I finish cooking the soup. Then everyone can eat, even me myself. I'm feeling so hungry. So I'm just doing everything sharp. So I'll be able to eat. Honestly, this is the reason I don't like cooking vegetable, because it's a lot of stress, a lot of work. After cutting this one, I'll still go and cut my water leaf. You get? So this work is small work. Very small work. Okay. So I'm trying to pieces it, you know. That's the way I love my vegetable. When you finish cutting it, it's not big size, you know. This small size. So see the size. I bought this thing for 700. see I'm cutting it sharp. So some people say if they cut like this, they'll cut their finger and join. Why me? If I use cutting stick, I'll cut my finger and join. So I prefer like this than the cutting chopping stick. I'm done. This one. It's no use. The finished part. I do it like this. My meat is really boiling. Now I'm using charcoal. The thing just catch. All this one has been wasting my time. My energy and my stress. So this is the water leaf that we're going to be using draining. See, very fresh. Bonus on the children. See, fresh water leaf. So fresh. Water leaf, so fresh. Okay guys, so at this point I think I need to end the video. Okay, see you next in another video. Let me concentrate and make this thing. Okay, so after this thing I'll still give you guys updates how the soup look like. Okay, bye for now.